English, Class 3, Chapter 4, A Little Fish Story. Dear kids, can you guess what is this? Yes, it is a shell. You have learnt about this in the previous poem Sea Song. Have you ever collected shells? Where do you see these shells? Yes, you guessed very correctly. We can see these shells in the seashore. We collect and play with these shells in the seashore. It's really very happy to play in the seashore. You also love to play, na? Yes. I know very well. Kids, you all love stories. So, today I am going to say a story. It's all about seas and sea animals. Children, come, let's go. Children, look at the sea. It is a home for millions of animals. Many animals like starfish, many fishes, jellyfish, shark, octopus, crab, tortoise, seahorse, snakes, and many plants live in the sea. Children, look at this fish. This story is about this little fish. There are a great many millions of fish in the seas. Children, do you know the meaning of million? Million means 10 lakhs. This little fish is a hero of the story. This little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. Contented means happy. Children, do you know why? You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. What do you think, children? You too look small, but you are happy. See how bad the little fish feels? It's very funny. Come, let us see. It's very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. It's very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. It's very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. If I were larger, how much happier I could be. Dear school of fishes, you are all very large. You are all really lucky to be this much big in size. One day, with no warning, school of fishes found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Oh, so sad. Mesh means material made of a network of wire or thread. The little fish and all other fishes splashing and floundering to come out of the mesh. Flounder means struggle. When the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! Children, look here. The fish was thankful to be a little fish because he was saved only due to his small size. Children, I am your little fish. Don't compare yourself with others. Be happy with what do you have because everyone is unique. Okay, children? This is an earthquake. Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the Earth's surface. The shaking is caused by movements in Earth's outermost layer. Earthquakes can cause huge damage to life and property. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption occurs when hot materials from the Earth's interior are thrown out of a volcano. Volcanoes are very dangerous. They can kill people and damage property. Children, what is this? This is a tsunami. Do you know what is a tsunami? Tsunami is a series of fast moving waves in the ocean caused by powerful earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. Usually, a tsunami starts suddenly, the waves at a great speed across an ocean. They can remove sand from beaches, destroy trees, drag vehicles, damage houses, and even destroy whole towns. Do you know, children, what is the reason for all these disasters? Human beings are the most important reason for all these disasters. Human beings' irresponsible actions have affected the balance of the system in the environment. As a result, environmental imbalances have caused many other major problems affecting human life, such as earthquake, volcanic eruptions, and tsunami. Disaster will continue to happen if no appropriate measures are taken to address the issue. So, children, we have to conserve our nature. New words: million, 10 lakhs. Contented, feels happy. School, a large group of fish. Floundering, struggling. Mesh, material made of a network of a wire or thread. Haul, pull or drag. Might, small. Wriggle, twist and turn with quick movement. Emptied, removed. Question and answer. How many fish are there in the sea? There are a great many million fish in the sea. Why was the little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. What happened to the fish one day? One day, the fish got caught in a big net while swimming in the sea with his friends. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful to be a little fish because he was saved only due to his small size. Look at the pattern and repeat after me. You have to add ed at the end of the word to form the pattern. At the end of the word look, you have to add ed. Now look will become looked. Children, come and repeat after me for the remaining words. Pick, picked. Bark, barked. Want, wanted. Talk, talked. Wish, wished. Pull, pulled. Help, helped. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. A glass of water, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flowers, a herd of cows, a pack of wolves.